Mother Nature. Ang Mother Leader.
Hindi na naman nila yung makukuha.
Yeah, sino yan? And the winner for Best in Mother Leader goes to
Puerto Princesa Paula Elementary School!
Nabuhayan sila.
So,
Biglang-biglang na
special ones na
Sana pumasok naman yung tata.
we have one more special award to give away, and that is our Best in Mary Making! You?
Thank you po para sa elementary school. One last special award about to be given, and that is Best in Mary Baking.
And the Best in Mary Making is presented to Francisco Uway! Ang kintab pumasok.
At saka ang nagkakaroon ng election ng mga munisipyo talaga bumababa. From start to finish, ganyan pa rin ang energy level nila. Mamaya ko naka-warning, I'm sure. Ganyan pa rin or mas tataas pa.
Yes, after this, our national hip hop dance competition for Sumono Festival. Meron pa tayo ibang mga competing groups galing pa sa ibang mga lugar para po mag-compete sa atin. Nandito na sila. And of course, tomorrow night, we have a spectacular night that awaits you for the audience po natin. Punta kayo dito ang Sumono Festival Queen Grand Coronation Night.
And thank you also to feedback, our coordinators, not just for the day. At inagin mo sa event na understand sa ilang matipong events ng Subaran.
City Information Office, maraming salamat din po to our City Coliseum Management, our City Health Office, PNP, maraming salamat po, and of course the City Events team, headed by Sir Carlo Abogado and the rest of the team. Maraming salamat guys, and LGB, maraming salamat po. Yan po talaga maraming technicalities ang aming competition. So we want it right, we want it correct. So we will really take time for that.
Bonding na rin na. So let us all be safe and stay dry sa mga ganitong panahon. Andito na. Malapit na. Malapit na.
Okay? Bakit baka po gusto mong imbitahan ang yan ang mga pagkasatan natin na prizes?
Of course, we would like to invite our board of judges and Sir Jean Lau as well as Sir Carlos P. Abogado.
Alright? Puerto Princesa, let's award our third prize winner. Garnering an average score of 85.97. Taking home 45,000 pesos, a double check, and a beautiful artwork trophy. Our third prize is none other than Santa Monica.
Santa Monica Elementary School, third prize winner.
Our second prize winner of Sumanao Drummer Competition is
Leonidas
Dito na may expect pa rin.
and the grand champion for Sumanao Drummer Competition 2025 Elementary School category is Sino? all did well at kahusay ng lahat. You are all winners, of course.